Hello everyone. Now I am going to show how to prepare homemade healthy hair oil. Let's see the ingredients. Methi 2 spoons, kalonji 2 spoons, hibiscus leaves, hibiscus flower, 1 big onion, flax seeds 2 spoons, 2 cup coconut oil and 1 cup castor oil. Now let's see how to prepare the oil. Keep the kadai on stove in medium flame. First pour the coconut oil and castor oil into the kadai. After the oil start boiling, now add all the ingredients into the oil. Leave it for 40 minutes and don't forget to keep your oil in low flame. Don't use non-stick kadai to prepare this oil. There is a chance of oil getting overflow, so keep at low flame. So take a big kadai to prepare this oil. After 40 minutes, switch off the flame and keep the kadai in a safe place and leave it for 1 day so that the oil can absorb the essence of the ingredient. After 1 day, you can use your oil. After 1 day, filter the oil. Now our oil is ready to use. Thank you.